The fundamental of sales in 11 episodes. Episode 3: 11 Steps to Build Rapport in Sales. Building rapport is a crucial step in any sales process. Without it, potential customers may not trust you or feel comfortable enough to make a purchase. Rapport building is the process of establishing a connection with potential customers, making them feel at ease and building trust. Here are 11 steps to help you build rapport in sales. 1. Research your potential customers. Before you even approach a potential customer, take the time to research them. Look at their website, social media profiles, and any other information you can find. This will give you an idea of their interests, values, and needs. Use this information to tailor your approach and show that you understand their business. 2. Find common ground. Once you have researched your potential customer, look for common ground. This could be anything from a shared interest to a similar background. Finding common ground can help you establish a connection and build trust. 3. Listen actively. Active listening is a critical skill in sales. It involves paying attention to what the customer is saying and responding appropriately. When you actively listen, you show that you value their opinion and are genuinely interested in what they have to say. 4. Show empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of another person. When you show empathy, you demonstrate that you care about the customer's needs and are willing to help them find a solution that works for them. 5. Use open-ended questions. Open-ended questions are questions that require more than just a yes or no answer. They encourage the customer to share more information, which can help you understand their needs better. Using open-ended questions also shows that you are interested in what they have to say. 6. Use positive body language. Body language is a crucial part of communication, and it can help you build rapport with potential customers. Use positive body language, such as maintaining eye contact, smiling, and nodding, to show that you are engaged and interested in what they are saying. 7. Share your own experiences. Sharing your own experiences can help you build rapport with potential customers. It shows that you are human and have faced similar challenges. However, be careful not to make the conversation all about you. Remember, the focus should be on the customer. 8. Be authentic. Authenticity is key to building trust. Be yourself and don't try to be someone you're not. Customers can sense when someone is being fake, and it can damage your credibility. 9. Use humor. Humor can be an effective way to break the ice and build rapport. However, be careful not to use inappropriate or offensive humor. Keep it light and appropriate for the situation. 10. Follow up. Following up after a meeting or conversation shows that you value the customer's time and are interested in continuing the conversation. It also gives you an opportunity to provide additional information or answer any questions they may have. 11. Be patient. Building rapport takes time, and it may not happen overnight. Be patient and persistent, and don't give up if the customer doesn't seem interested at first. It may take several conversations before you establish a connection. In conclusion, building rapport is a critical step in any sales process. It involves establishing a connection with potential customers, making them feel at ease, and building trust. By following these 11 steps, you can build rapport with potential customers and increase your chances of making a sale. Remember, the focus should be on the customer, and building rapport takes time and effort. To be continued. Go to the channel playlists. Episode 4 to 11 Steps to Address Objections in Sales.